Hello everyone, we will be starting what are Trendline and how to use the Trendline and what's we use the strategies in this video. Okay, so what are the Trendline? Trendline basically show us the market trend. Either it is upward direction or either it is downward direction. It is straight line that is most powerful tool that use most of the traders in the world. And Trendline shows us the support and resistance level. Now I will show you the upward trend line. As you can see, the trend line is acting as the support level. When the price is hit at the support level, it bounce back to its resistance, then it hit back. Okay, as you can see, first time hit, second hit, and after the two tap hit on this spot, then the trend line is confirmed. Now you can see on further the trend line acting as the support line. As you can see, the black line is the trend line is support level on the upward direction. If we can now go to the downward trend, the trend line is now acting as the resistance level. Now you can see the we have the key requirements of the two tap on trend line, then it is the confirmed trend line occur. Now you can see the market is hit on first time, then it's bounce back, then it's again retrace and bounce back. And then this third time it is the plus point for every trend line. Basically, if two tap is hit, then third is near to 100% is confirmation of that line act as the resistance. Okay, I to be valid trend line would need at least two taps of the price on uptrend or downtrend. Anything above two tap is the plus trend, as you can also mention in my previous video. Now I can show you what is the strategies upon the trend reversal and upon breaking out or breaking down. As you can see, the market is touched to at this point, then again bounce back and it is back to its point. Now we have the confirmation, and according to the key requirement that our confirmation of the trend line is confirmed. Now you can see the market again bounce from this point. We have marked that trend line, and after market is again hit that and again bounce back, and when trend line is broken and its support is changed, upward trend is now convert to downtrend. When, as remember, when trend line is break and its like support level is break, then the market is convert from the upward to downtrend. Okay, as the same thing is happening on the downward direction. The trend line in downward direction is break is here, then this market from the downtrend is convert to upward trend. As you can see, the first tap is hit on this black line and again hit on black line. Now we have the confirmation of the that trend line is now the confirmed key requirement of our the criteria. And now you can see the three tap is hit on our resistance trend line, and now the downward trend is convert to upward trend. Okay, it gives the buying selling indication, add more confidence to our trading system. And now I am going to the live chart example for more confirmation. As you can see, the BTC USDT chart in 1 hour time frame, and it is the latest chart on 9th September. And now you can see the trend line. I can draw you, this is a downtrend, and now you can see the two tap is hit here. Okay, I now check, this is the first tap and this is the second tap. Okay, and we also draw if we required on upward trend line, this is BTC is downward direction. Okay, now you can see the this is the first tap, this is the second tap. Now is the confirmed of our downward trend of the BTC market. Okay, now you can see the market is downward at the 55,485. Then after bounce back to its resistance level to our downtrend 58,433, then it's again back to 52,814. According to our trend line requirement, now it's the confirmed of the downtrend. If it's bounce back to and cross this trend line, then downward trend is changed into the upward trend of BTC. Okay, I hope you can understand now. Okay, we will give you more examples. I will check some another example. As you can see the here, first tap, second tap. This is the first tap, second tap, and this is the third tap. Okay, as you can see the trend line, first tap, second tap, and third tap is the plus point. After the two tap, we have confirmed this is a upward trend line. Okay, now you can see the if we draw also on upward direction, and now we will give you confirmed. I will give you more confirmation of the trend line. Now you can see the market is hit on 56,221, and then again market hit on its trend line resistance. Then its second time it hit on our trend line. Now is the according to our requirement, the upward trend is confirmed. Now after you can see it's bounce back to its point and then retrace to its support level by support level upward direction trend line. Okay, it's again hit to resistance level, then it's again at main point. And after this, as you can see, on 63,069, the trend line is break. Okay, then its resistance level is changed into the support level. As you can see, if when BTC break this 63,044, this is the resistance level of their upward direction, and now it can move to the upward. As you can see, the all market is going to the upward direction, but seller dominate the market. It again hit to the resistance level before our resistance level is break. Now it is changed into the support level, and it's again hit to the support level, and this is our new resistance. Okay, this is our new resistance. When it again hit to resistance level, but resistance is here this strong at 64,882 points, and now will their new support level is break, and now it's again low to our previous support, and now it's again to our previous support level. And then you can see the previous support level is also break, and now it's go to the downward side. As you can see, when the our upward trend line is break, then the market is goes downward side. It's trying to more upward direction, but BTC is the resistance point is 64,958 is the most strong point. It is trying best, but it's not close. Now the seller dominate the market and trying to all over dominate. Okay, and third example I will give you more for the more clarification. I can see you who is here the also the accurate example, as you can see this. Okay, now first tab, second tab. Okay, now market is in downward. As you can see, the BTC on 21 July 2024 at 65,806 point. Okay, the market is touch is 65 point. Now the trend is downward due to this second point. As you can see, first tap, second tap, and now this is the resistance level. It's, I will give you more accurate. The market hit on 68, then it again near to its support level. Okay, then it again trying to hit at 66,970 point, but it again bounce back to its original support level. Okay, and now market trying to break the trend line. Now it's going to the upward. Okay, now you can show the market trend line is break here, and now the resistance is changed into the support line. As you can see, we when BTC is break our trend line, at the point of the break, we have the its resistance is changed into the support level. As you can see, market is trying to again near to its support level, but it's trying much hard to its support level. Market bounce back from 2 points, it consolidate, and then its support level test, but it's again downward. As you can see, the market is again downward direction. Okay, hope so you have understand now the trend line. The main point of the trend line is on upward, as either the downtrend. We have only two tap confirmation. One is touch, second touch. Now we have the confirmed trend line and use the trend. This is the most common method of the successful traders in the world. That trend line we use the buying and selling. Okay, kindly practice this trend line topic as much as possible and try to grip on this. If we have third tap is hit, then it is the plus point and is the confirmed of the trend line, either as downtrend and either as the uptrend. And please keep practicing that trend line on the tradingview.com on any chart time. Okay, you may get the in 4 hour time chart, 1 hour time chart, that is the your. Okay, and please practicing as much as you can. Due to practice make man perfect. When you have perfection on trending line, as I confirmed you, you have the much good trading percentage you will get in your pocket. Okay, hope so you will understand now. And if you have any question regarding trending line, and please ask me question in question answer portal. I will try as soon as possible to respond your queries. Okay, hope so you will understand now. And now we will move to the our next lecture.